How to add new recipient in Zelle? First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to the Send section on the home screen. This is where you can initiate a new payment or manage your recipients. Tap on Add Recipient or Add New Contact depending on your app interface. Enter the recipient's details such as their full name, email address, or US mobile phone number. Make sure the information is correct as Zelle payments are usually instant and cannot be reversed once sent. After entering the details, confirm the recipient and tap Save or Add to store them in your contacts. Once the recipient is added, you can quickly send money to them anytime by selecting their name from your saved contacts. Adding a new recipient is simple and allows you to send or request money securely and efficiently. Now you know how to add a recipient in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.